Hi, it's Chris Titley here, and as part of the Morgan's Conversation series, I'm joined by Ayten Saridas, CFO of Coronado Global Resources. Ayten, thanks so much for being part of this series.
Thank you, Chris. Thanks for having me.
Can you tell us a little bit about Coronado Global Resources?
Yes, of course. Coronado is one of the largest and perhaps the largest undiversified met coal producer globally. We are a company that started off 5 years ago with production of about 1 million tonnes, and we've grown that to over 20 million tonnes in that time. We have assets with 33-year life. We are also based in the two most probably prolific regions globally for met coal, which is the Queensland Bowen Basin, and in the US, the Central Appalachian Basin. So we have recently IPO'd, and the forecast that we've put to market in our prospectus, we are very confident of delivering those, and we look forward to delivering that next year.
And Ayten, what are the key company drivers?
So the key driver for us is the Curragh asset and what we intend to do with the Curragh asset. We've just recently acquired a new reserved area which is going to add about 318 million tonnes of resources to our Curragh asset, and what that will translate into is significant increase in an uplift in production out of that asset in the near term. We've also got 3 other assets in the US which are very stable operating assets, and so for us, our view is that we're going to extract value just from the assets we have in our portfolio. We will look at bolt-on acquisitions and other acquisitions that make sense to us, but within our current portfolio we have significant opportunities to grow our production in the near term.
And Ayten, why should investors be interested in the stock?
Well, firstly, we are the largest met coal producer globally, and we are focused on a critical piece of the input into steel making globally. The other thing is, if you look at our IPO price and what we've priced at, it's about 3 times the EBITDA multiple for next year, which is a significant discount to our peers. The other thing to look at is that our dividend yield is about 14% for next year alone. So, and that's taking into account the Woodmac pricing of $176. If you were to apply current spot pricing for the balance of next year, then you're looking at probably 20%. So we've got free cash flow, we've got a high payout ratio next year, we've got a very clean balance sheet with cash on balance sheet, no gearing. And we've got coal prices where they are at the moment, so a lot of good reasons why investors should look forward to what we've got ahead for them.
Ayten, thanks so much for the recent update on Coronado, and look forward to future updates.
Thank you. Thank you, Chris.